Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a quick product review video. It is this Accutire tire pressure gauge. I picked this up from Amazon. It was about 10 bucks or so, and this right here has one of the better reviews on the tire pressure gauge. All right, so inside the package is your digital tire gauge. It's very light. It comes with 4 valve caps, and it comes with the instructions right here. All right, so here's the close-up of the tire gauge. It's very lightweight. The handle right here is very smooth. It is battery operated, and it does come with the battery. This right here is where you put your thumb right here, and the button to turn it on is up here. And so when you turn it on, you can cycle through all the different measurements. So right now it's at PSI, that's what I want, so I'm gonna hold, and it's going to go ahead and change to different measurements. Right? Okay, so I recently went ahead and swapped out all 4 tires on my vehicle. My car currently has 55,000 miles, and I replaced the stock Michelin's with the Pirelli P7. This is the All Season Plus. And to take the reading is very simple. Go ahead and remove your valve cap. And again, you're going to put your thumb back here and make sure the unit is on. So press it once. And then line that up. And then push with your thumb. And there you go. Currently, my PSI is set at 33. On the tire sidewall, it says that this can go up to 51 PSI max. Now, this is not the setting that I'm going to be using. For ride comfort, I'm going to be using what's on the door sill right here. So it tells you that I need to put the front and the rear to 33 PSI for both. Now, if I need to put more air, this is the unit that I'm using. This is the Craftsman portable air inflator. It does come with a setting in here that I can set the max PSI. And so I just have to go ahead and turn on the unit right there, and I can go ahead and set. Right now I have it set to 35. Reason being is this unit is very not accurate. And so I usually pump it so that 35, and then I go ahead and release more air. Oh, and by the way, if you need to release air, you can use this unit and just have to just go ahead and push it up here. So I'll release some air like that. See, I'm just releasing more air. Now I need to go ahead and put more air in. Now to put more air, I go ahead and take my unit and pump that up. And then what I do is there's a trigger to turn the unit on, and this one has a lever where I can lock the trigger, and so that I don't have to keep holding it, or I can hold it if I wanted to. And if I lock it up, it's gonna stop once this reading goes to 35 automatically. And so again, I set it to 35, so I'm gonna go ahead and push it and lock this up. See how it went to 35 and stopped? Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and take my gauge. Again, go ahead and make sure you turn it on and take the reading. And it's at 34, so I need to release some air. And then read it. There you go, it's at 33. And I'm all set. Now there is no off button, but this unit does auto shut off by itself. As you can see, it's off now. And to turn it on, you just push the button again and it's back on. Now on my tire rotation video, one of my YouTube viewers asked how often and when they should check the tire pressure. Now I usually check my tire pressure at least once a month, and when the car has been sitting overnight. If you check the tire pressure after it's been driven, then the air inside will expand and it'll show you a higher PSI than it really is. And so that the door jam PSI of 33 is at cold PSI, and so when the car has been sitting. And here's my 2012 Honda Fit. Go ahead and use 33 PSI for both and take a reading. Oops. So 32.5, so I need to put more air in here. Again, the gauge on here, as you can see, is not very accurate. Now it says 33. So I'm going to check it. Turn on the unit. And 33. Very simple to use, very accurate, and inexpensive. Again, it's about 10, 11 bucks. Now there's one additional procedure that I had to perform, which is to calibrate the tire pressure monitoring system. On my particular vehicle, I have a button that's right here that looks like a tire icon with the exclamation point. And so go ahead and turn on the vehicle. And I'm going to go ahead and push and hold this button. And what that's going to do is right there, you saw that pressure monitoring system flash right there. So right now that's being calibrated. And so I just have to take the car for a drive and the system will auto calibrate itself. Now, if your vehicle does not have that button on the left-hand side, you can also do it through the system menu. So I'm going to go in here, go to settings, go to vehicle settings, and right there, the first one, I'm going to select and calibrate. All right, so that will start the tire calibration process, and you just have to take your car for a drive and it will auto calibrate by your next time you turn off your vehicle. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.